In Kenya today, many young people are searching for ways to survive and improve their lives without depending fully on formal employment. Jobs are becoming harder to find, yet the cost of living continues to rise every year. Rent is increasing in towns and cities, transport costs are going up, food prices are becoming more expensive, and many families are struggling to meet daily needs. Because of this, many people are now turning to practical skills that can help them earn money every single day. The good thing is that you do not always need a university degree, expensive equipment, or huge capital to start. Some of the most successful people in Kenya today started with very simple skills and slowly grew into full businesses. A beginner skill is simply something you can learn within a short time and start using to earn income. Some skills can be learned online using free videos, while others can be learned through practice or mentorship. The internet has made learning easier than ever before. A person with a smartphone and internet bundles can learn graphic design, video editing, social media management, online writing, and many other profitable skills without attending expensive schools. What matters most is consistency, patience, discipline, and the willingness to improve daily. One of the biggest advantages of learning a paying skill is flexibility. Unlike traditional employment, where people wait until the end of the month for salaries, many skills allow people to receive payments immediately after completing work. Some clients pay daily through M-Pesa, PayPal, or direct bank transfers. This has become very common in Kenya, because many businesses prefer freelancers and independent workers who charge affordable prices and deliver quickly. A person can work from home, from a cyber cafe, from campus, or even while traveling. Freelance writing is among the easiest beginner skills to start in Kenya. Many companies, blogs, websites, YouTube creators, and online stores need written content every day. Businesses want articles, product descriptions, website pages, social media captions, and email newsletters. A beginner who knows basic English and can research topics properly can start earning from writing. Some people begin by charging around 500 Kenya shillings for a short article, while experienced writers earn several thousand Kenya shillings daily. The beauty of freelance writing is that it can be started using only a smartphone. Over time, writers improve their skills, gain clients, and eventually work full-time online. Many Kenyans have also discovered opportunities in YouTube script writing. Content creators constantly need engaging scripts that keep viewers watching videos for longer periods. A beginner can learn how to structure introductions, create interesting storytelling, and write clear explanations. Some script writers are paid per script, while others are paid monthly contracts. Since video content continues growing every year, this skill is expected to remain profitable for a very long time. Graphic design is another skill paying thousands of beginners daily in Kenya. Businesses need posters, logos, flyers, menus, banners, social media graphics, and business cards. Years ago, graphic design required expensive computers and complicated software. Today, things are different. Applications like Canva allow beginners to create attractive designs using phones or laptops. A beginner can start by designing church posters, birthday invitations, event flyers, or business promotions for local shops. Small businesses especially prefer affordable designers who deliver quickly. A simple poster can earn between 300 Kenya shillings and 1,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the client and quality of work. The demand for graphic designers continues increasing because almost every business now markets online. Restaurants need food posters, salons need beauty graphics, real estate agents need property advertisements, and online shops need promotional images daily. Some designers specialize in YouTube thumbnails because creators understand the importance of attractive thumbnails in increasing views. A skilled thumbnail designer can earn good money every single day from multiple clients. Video editing has become one of the most profitable digital skills in Kenya. The rise of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook videos has created huge demand for editors. Many content creators record videos using their phones, but lack time or skills to edit them properly. This is where beginner editors come in. Video editing involves trimming clips, adding music, inserting subtitles, creating transitions, and improving visual quality. Even simple editing can attract clients if done well. A beginner can use free applications such as CapCut or VN Editor to learn editing. Many editors start by practicing on their own videos before working for clients. Businesses now use short videos to market products because videos attract more attention than text or pictures. Restaurants post food videos, fashion stores upload styling clips, and travel companies share beautiful destinations online. Since businesses want content daily, Editors often receive work regularly. Some editors charge between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 5,000 Kenya shillings daily depending on workload and experience. Social media management is also becoming a strong source of daily income in Kenya. Many business owners understand that social media is important, but they do not have time to create content, reply to customers, or post consistently. A social media manager helps businesses manage their Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp business pages. This work includes creating captions, responding to messages, posting updates, planning content calendars, and helping pages grow. A beginner who understands social media trends can easily start offering these services. For example, a local restaurant may pay someone to post food pictures daily and reply to customer questions. A boutique owner may need help advertising new clothes online. Over time, a social media manager can handle multiple clients at once and increase earnings significantly. Since businesses prefer consistent posting, many managers receive recurring monthly payments while also earning daily from side tasks. Virtual assistants is another fast-growing online opportunity. A virtual assistant helps businesses remotely with tasks such as scheduling meetings, answering emails, organizing files, conducting online research, or handling customer support. This skill is suitable for organized people who communicate well and pay attention to detail. Many international entrepreneurs prefer hiring remote assistants because it saves money compared to employing office workers physically. Some virtual assistants in Kenya work for clients from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. Payments are often made through PayPal or Payoneer. A beginner may start with small tasks, but eventually specialize in areas like customer service, executive assistance, or e-commerce support. As experience grows, daily income also increases steadily. Artificial intelligence tools have also opened new income opportunities for beginners in Kenya. Many people are now earning by using artificial intelligence to create content, generate ideas, write captions, produce marketing materials, or help businesses save time. However, artificial intelligence alone is not enough. Clients still need human creativity, editing, and customization. This means people who know how to combine artificial intelligence with practical skills have an advantage. For example, someone can use artificial intelligence tools to create business ideas, write first drafts of articles, generate social media captions, or prepare resumes quickly. The final work must still be edited properly to sound natural and professional. Businesses value speed and quality, so people who deliver efficiently often receive more clients. This field continues expanding rapidly every year. Selling digital products is another smart way to earn daily income in Kenya. A digital product is something created once and sold many times online. Examples include ebooks, templates, study notes, planners, social media packs, business documents, and online guides. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly through WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, or personal websites. For example, someone skilled in graphic design can create wedding invitation templates and sell them online. A university student can compile revision notes and sell them to other students. A business-minded person can create budget planners or business proposal templates. The biggest advantage of digital products is that there are no transport costs or physical stock involved. Buyers receive files instantly after payment. Photography and smartphone videography have also become profitable beginner skills. Today's smartphones have powerful cameras capable of producing high-quality pictures and videos. Businesses need attractive visual content to market online. A beginner can start by offering product photography for online shops, restaurant photography, or short promotional videos for local businesses. Many restaurants in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, and Eldoret now hire content creators specifically to produce TikTok videos and Instagram content. Fashion stores also need short videos showcasing clothes and accessories. A talented smartphone videographer can quickly build a portfolio and attract regular clients. Since visual marketing continues growing strongly, this field has massive future potential. Data entry and micro-tasks are also common starting points for beginners. Although they may not pay as much as advanced skills, they help people earn while gaining online work experience. Data entry involves typing information into systems, organizing spreadsheets, or processing records. Microtasks may include image labeling, simple surveys, website testing, transcription, or online research. Some platforms provide daily or weekly tasks to workers globally. A beginner can start small and later move into higher-paying areas after gaining confidence. The important thing is avoiding scams because many fake websites promise unrealistic earnings. Legitimate opportunities usually require patience and consistency rather than large registration fees. One major reason many people fail online is expecting instant riches. Some beginners believe they will start today and become rich tomorrow. In reality, every profitable skill requires learning, practice, and patience. Most successful freelancers and digital workers spent months improving before earning stable income. Consistency matters more than speed. A person who practices daily for 1 year will usually outperform someone who keeps changing skills every few weeks. Another important factor is communication. Many talented beginners lose clients because they communicate poorly. Clients appreciate professionalism, honesty, politeness, and reliability. Replying to messages on time, meeting deadlines, and respecting instructions can help beginners retain customers for long periods. Repeat clients are often the foundation of stable online income. Portfolio building is also extremely important. A portfolio simply shows examples of your work. Clients want proof that you can deliver quality services. A writer can create sample articles. A designer can create example posters. A video editor can prepare short demonstration videos. Even without clients initially, beginners can create practice work to showcase skills. A strong portfolio increases trust and attracts better paying opportunities. Marketing yourself is another critical step. Many talented people remain broke because nobody knows about their services. Social media provides free marketing opportunities today. Posting work consistently on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp status can attract clients surprisingly fast. Some people receive their first customers simply because friends shared their posts online. Networking also plays a major role in success. Meeting business owners, joining online communities, attending events, and connecting with other freelancers can open opportunities. Recommendations are powerful in Kenya. A satisfied client often refers more clients. Over time, word-of-mouth marketing becomes stronger than paid advertising. Managing money wisely is equally important once income starts coming in. Many beginners make the mistake of spending all earnings immediately. Smart people reinvest part of their income into better internet, improved devices, learning resources, or marketing. Small improvements can increase productivity and earnings significantly over time. There are also offline skills that pay daily in Kenya. Barbering, hairdressing, makeup artistry, shoe cleaning, car washing, baking, phone repair, photography, and delivery services continue generating income for thousands of people. Some of these businesses require small capital to start, while others mainly need practical training and consistency. The key lesson is that valuable skills create opportunities everywhere. Kenya's digital economy continues growing rapidly. More businesses are moving online, more people are shopping through social media, and more companies are searching for affordable freelancers. This means the future is full of opportunities for people willing to learn useful skills. Even simple skills can grow into full businesses over time. A student can begin freelancing while in campus. An unemployed graduate can start building an online portfolio from home. A stay-at-home parent can offer services remotely. Someone employed full-time can still build a side hustle during evenings and weekends. Modern technology has removed many barriers that previously prevented people from accessing opportunities. The most important thing is starting. Many people spend years waiting for perfect conditions, expensive laptops, or enough confidence. Meanwhile, others start small using simple phones and improve gradually. Growth often comes after action, not before. Every expert was once a beginner. Discipline is what separates successful people from those who quit early. Learning daily, improving skills, staying patient during slow periods, and remaining focused can eventually produce excellent results. Income may start small, but consistency creates momentum. Many people who once struggled financially are now supporting families, paying rent, funding businesses, and building better futures because they committed themselves to practical skills. The reality is that Kenya has millions of young, creative, and hardworking people. What many need is not luck, but the right information and willingness to take action. Opportunities exist online and offline for those prepared to learn and remain consistent. Technology has changed how people earn money, and those who adapt early have a better chance of succeeding. In the coming years, digital skills will likely become even more important. Businesses are increasingly using online marketing, remote work, e-commerce, and digital communication. This means skills such as writing, graphic design, editing, content creation, and virtual assistants may continue growing in demand. People who begin learning today are positioning themselves for future opportunities. Success does not always happen immediately. There will be challenges, difficult clients, rejected applications, slow months, and moments of frustration. However, persistence matters greatly. Many successful freelancers and entrepreneurs failed several times before finding stable income. Every mistake becomes part of the learning process. At the end of the day, beginner skills that pay daily in Kenya are changing lives. They are helping students pay school fees, helping parents support families, helping unemployed youth survive, and helping ordinary people build independence. Whether someone chooses writing, design, editing, social media management, virtual assistants, or another practical skill, the most important step is beginning and remaining consistent. A single skill can completely transform a person's financial future. The journey may start with only a smartphone, internet bundles worth a few hundred Kenya shillings, and determination. But with patience, learning, and discipline, small daily earnings can eventually grow into stable income, business opportunities, and long-term success.